What if saving your first $10,000 is easier than you think? Many people work hard every day, but struggle to save because they don't have a clear financial plan. The solution is simple. Track your spending, create a realistic budget, automate your savings, and increase your income one step at a time. Small habits like cutting unnecessary expenses, earning extra income, and saving consistently can make a remarkable difference over time. Your first $10,000 isn't just savings. It's the foundation for long-term financial freedom.
Subscribe to Wealth Engine for practical tips on personal finance, investing, AI, and building long-term wealth.